Yes, hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can make up to 6.84 USD per sales you made with this affiliate marketing program. As you know, when it comes to affiliate marketing, you make money based on the commission you earn also or sales you have made, and also when you add those commissions, that is where you're gonna be getting the amount of money you can be able to earn. Without wasting time, let's get started. As you can see, I'm using my computer as usual. However, you can decide to use your phone, your mobile phone, your tablets, and the other thing that can access to the internet. Then you can be able also to access this affiliate marketing program I'm going to be showing you. So what you need to do, you need to come into your browser and search for Big Bus this is a Big Bus Towers. And also once you find Big Bus Towers in your browser, you're gonna be getting this platform. As you can see, these are Big Bus Towers. It's also one of the towers of operator platforms. And also what you go is, you can see is an operator of open source. If you need to read more about the company, you can first read through about it. And also once you reach to the website, you're gonna be getting different details, including selecting of different where you can be aiming to visit, or where you are planning to make towers to. You can see there are a lot of also tickets which they are selling at the moment. And also this 72-hour ticket, 24-hour ticket, 48 hours ticket. This is also the Dubai 24-hour discover ticket. So you have to read of course about the tickets you're gonna be selling and see which amount of money you can be able to make based on this ticket. You need to see if the ticket is interesting for you, and also if you are having people who are interested in this travel. And also once you have it, you can be able to make money by also selling this ticket as well. So now I'm gonna be showing you how much money you can be able to earn to this ticketing platform. And also what we do is to first see, you can see now I have this 149 these are USD 149 USD that you can be able to sell for this ticket. And also once you make money with this platform, you're gonna be earning 9% of the sales you made. So of course you have to multiply and see how much money commission you can be able to earn from this sale. Let's take this one, 149 times also 9 over 9%. It's gonna be 13.41. Also, however, you can even be calculating. Let's go back and see. For instance, let's choose this one and choose Paris. So we're gonna see which amount of money you can be able to earn. Let's now try to decide from these tickets, and let's try for instance look for 67. You can see for Paris, the one which is the high is a low 67. Now I have to multiply by 9%. For of course you can see that you can be able to earn 6.84. So now let's take this as an average earnings you can be able to make from this platform by making sales. So now as you make sale, also you earn 90% of commission from that sales which have been successfully made. Whichever ticket you sell, you have sold, also you make such amount of money. So now you can see they have influencer program. If you want to join any of them, you can be able to join, of course, and start making money. However, if you want to be joining the affiliate marketing program for Big Bus Towers, what you need to do, you need to come here and go into browser and search for Big Bus Towers affiliate, so you have to type it into Google as well for you to be able to get the accurate information, or to be able to get the accurate link that can take you to the affiliate marketing area, and also help you to start making money as well. So what I do is to join this program. I click join, and also after clicking join, I'm gonna be getting this information. You can see here, largest operator of opening top sightening stores in the world. Now you can see the information I have to fill out here. Now you have to fill this information, and you can also see that what they are saying about this affiliate marketing. Big Bass Tours operate in 18 cities and 7 languages. You can see it's a UAK affiliate program available on affiliate now window. You can see they are describing what is now how this affiliate marketing is working. US affiliate marketing program available on commission junction, and also there are offers and the promo codes available to support your promotions. These are also very key because you're gonna be having a promo codes and promotions that can help you while you are doing affiliate marketing. Those are also very important, because if you are having a promo codes and a promotion where you are going to be telling the people that you have for instance 10% off for any ticket, this can attract the audience to come and purchase the given tickets as well. So there are more than 200 affiliates which promote bus tours every day. So now what you need to do, you need to scroll down so you can see largest tour operator in the world. You can see attract commissions. Now you have, when you attract commissions, now you're going to get incentive as well, and also dedicated affiliate marketing team. Also, they have support which will be helping you on every step when you are performing an affiliate marketing on this platform. And also they have more than 20 years of experience, and also they have exciting promotions including free river cruises and the free guided walking tours, which generate a lot of interest and help affiliates selling small tickets every month. So now if you are interested, and if you're having of course the great audience, a great niche, it's up to you now to come and join. So if you want to join, what you need to do is to come here and fill for find out more about the affiliate program. You can come here and fill information. So once you fill out the information, you fill out the website address. Also, you can see now you are submitting the inquiry, and they will reach out to you with also the feedback from your application. So thank you for watching this video. Now also remember to like this video, share it to your friends, and remember to turn on notification button so as you always get notified when we upload a new video here at Max TV. Also subscribe so as you always get in touch with also in our future videos.